Okay, so what I want to do today is, anyway, we were in a meeting yesterday, and we have a Zoom meeting where we have some training, and we were working on our funnel builder and how to utilize it better. And one of the people on the Zoom meeting asked about how they, when they make a video, how they promote it into their email. They didn't know how to what to write and how to put it into the email. And so we were shown the person doing the training, one of our owners. He went to GetResponse, and he was kind of stuck. He didn't know how to open an existing email, and so I think I found the trick to doing it. You go up here to the top to where it says email marketing, and it clicks all your emails will pop up, all the ones you've done. And if you want to look at the email, the last email, or any of the emails you want, go over to the side to the three little dots, and it says reuse. Pops up, you can reuse it, you can send a text message, you can remove from there, preview it, all these things. So I'm going to click on preview, and I think that's where it comes. It comes up and you can look at it, okay? And it's like you would send it, okay? And so then, let's see if I can go back. Okay, I'm going to go there, and I want to go back up to here. So then the other thing that he showed us was when you write an email, you, let's see, let me see if I can use one here. How do you insert a video? So I'm going to go here to Tools. I want to go to, let's see, Contacts, Autoresponder. Let's go back here to, let's go back to this. Okay, I want to create a newsletter, and I'm going to do it by myself. And so it goes up here, you put the title, you put your email address that you want to return to, subject line, so forth and so on. But when you get down here to design the message, and I'm going to choose a template, and oh, I got the wrong one. Let's see. So anyway, I want to insert a video into this. So I go down here and take a look at the short video. Okay, but I want to add in a video. So I'm going to take this over here, it says, and just drag it, and you can drop it right in there. So then when you click on it, you add your video URL link that you can get. If you made it in YouTube or wherever you made it, you should have a URL video link, and you should be able to get it and just paste it in there, and it'll pop up. So let me show you by example. See if I can test one here. Let me see if I can find a video in YouTube. I'll find one of mine, and we'll go over here to videos. Okay, and so this is my video, and I can go down here to let's see, right here should give me a shareable link. Click on that. Then I'm going to go back over here to this, and I'm going to put in here my link. So I'm going to paste it and then say go, and it should pop up in the video, should pop up with the thumbnail and everything. Let's see if it does. Having a hard time here. Maybe I did something wrong. Normally, the other way I do it, let's go up here to this say I wanted to paste it, I could paste it in here, and I could go here, and then I could take and put the link in here, there, and that will give me a hot link to it too, to the video. So I don't know. Let's see what it does here. Let's go to the next. And we'll go down here to this. Edit the message. It doesn't have it. It didn't do it. But this, let's see if this, oh wait. What we need to look at is, let's go to next. And we're going to send a test message. So we'll send that. And we'll come back here to my email and see if we can find it. There's a test. So there it is. And it didn't put the video in. But this link takes
Hi,
me,
this is Bill.
Takes me to the video. So that's one way to do it. The other way is if you drag and drop, that should have loaded. I do not know why it didn't do it, but that's a quick thing. Two little tips that I wanted to share with you, and so that is all I have. So I want to wish you all the best. Have a great day. Bye.